Here's a quick step-by-step guide on how to create folders in Gmail in 2026. Make sure to like and subscribe for more simple Gmail tutorials. First, open Google Chrome and go to gmail.com. Sign into your Gmail account if you're not already logged in. In Gmail, folders are called labels. They work the same way as folders, but emails can be in more than one label at once. On the left sidebar, scroll down and click More. Then click Create New Label. Type a name for your folder and click Create. To use the folder, select one or more emails. Click the label icon at the top, choose your new label, and apply it. You can also drag emails directly into the folder on the left. If you want subfolders, create a new label and check Nest Label under, then choose an existing label. And that's it. You've successfully created folders in Gmail using the 2026 method. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel.